Hello guys, and welcome back to another farming simulator video. And in today's video, I have looked on Tractor House, or whatever you want to call it, for a new tractor, because next year we're going to be doing some deep tillage. So, to get on with it, let's get over to the farm and go get the semi-truck. But, while we're driving over there, consider going down below and, I don't know, giving the video a like if you are enjoying the new FS25 series. I hope to do a couple more videos on this, and maybe this will just become something new on the channel. Kind of like American farming. It's just American farming is a little easier to record, but I'm going to be trying to do a bit more of these videos. Let's put this here. And I have bought some new stuff since last time. First, the John Deere Ripper. So yeah. I did buy this kind of expecting to put this on the 435. But what ended up happening is this needs 550 horsepower. The tractor we're buying does not have, or maybe it does, I don't know. I don't think it has 550 horsepower, but it is closer than the 435. So it'll be able to run it a little easier. And I know you've seen these two pieces of equipment in a video, or short. And then we bought this. I think this was on here last time, I'm not quite sure. And then this is the newest purchase, other than the tractor that we're hopefully going to buy today. W900. It's a 25 model or something, maybe 24, I don't know. But listen to that puppy. She runs good. So, we're going to take this and, well, pretty much just get the lowboy trailer that I've recently picked up for a pretty decent price, actually. I think it was like 50 grand. It's a land all and everything. So, yeah, it's just decently used. It was used and abused, but it'll definitely work. Love the Jake brakes. Alright, it's right up here, and then, yeah. That's not the tractor we bought. We didn't buy that. That's a 375, I think, there at the dealership. But, yeah. Oh, and I also picked up a new grain trailer since we bought a second semi. Really hope these mirrors work. They don't. Straight back, straight back, straight back, straight back. Alright. Alright. And we're good to go. Let's go get this new tractor, and I will pick up the camera when we get there. Alrighty, and we have just arrived here. I think we're gonna leave the we'll pull her up in there, I guess. As you can see, you might be able to see the new tractor. Yeah. She's sitting on LSW 1250s? I think, I don't know. Let's unhook the lowboy here, because I am pretty darn sure we're gonna buy it. Oh, heck yeah. So, it is a 535 Gold Edition Steiger sitting on the 1250 LSWs. This will definitely be able to do some tillage. Let's get in here though, and let's turn this puppy on. Oh yeah. All the steering's good and everything. Alright. Well, I think we're gonna make the purchase. well, I'm gonna make the purchase. I already kind of did make the purchase. I was just telling you guys that we were going to. So then you wouldn't expect that I'm bad with money. But it's a beauty. It's coming home with us too. Just put it on the trailer here. I am good with money. There was a strap there. Alright. Let's bag this pickup. Yep, this is my pickup, guys. Let's bag the semi truck up here. And yeah. Come on. Let's put it in. Hook. Alright. There we go. First we gotta turn this around somehow. Don't ask me how we're gonna do that, I'm not even quite sure. Come on. I don't think she likes this. You know what, this guy just cut his hay feed, I don't care. He's getting a decent amount of money. Alright. Well, I guess I'll see you guys when we get back to the farm. Alright, and we are coming up on the turn in here to the farm. And we're gonna unload this thing and hopefully get it in a shed if I have room. I think I do. Come on. I know this truck doesn't like going down hills with this little boy, but oh well. Okay, let's see here. Actually, we'll just go ahead and put the little boy where it's gonna be at until next time we need it. Oh. Don't know why this thing needs to be lowered and raised again every time you make a sharp turn, but for some reason it does. Alright, we're going to put it back in the corner here. And then we'll unhook it and put this tractor in the shed. Pull forward. Put it in reverse a little further. That's probably about good. Alright. Turn it on. Oh, look at the gold stripe right there. That's cool. Alright, let's bag this thing off. Beacon works and everything. Alright. Let's put this right here. Then we'll put the thing back on the trailer. And then we'll just leave it here. I don't think there's any reason to bring it back over to the hay farm. Alright, hook that back up. Pull it forward a little bit. And then we will unhook it. Put the semi-truck back in where it was. Pull it in so the sun doesn't fade the hood on it. There. I could have gone a little. Oh. Alright. Let's look at this new tractor. Alright, that looks freaking sweet. Alright, I gotta open the door to get in here. Open the door. Let's get in. We're probably just gonna leave this tractor in here since I really don't have much other room in the machine sheds. That'll probably do. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like the new tractor on the farm. This is now the Big Horse. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Goodbye.